All right. This. Ready? This is the Reagan Watson Summer Olympics. These are Olympian champions right here. Sam, D man, what country are you representing, dog? What's your strip? USA? All day? All right, he USA. Let's go over here to our next competitor.
Yeah, man.
The lovely Mia Gibson. Who you repping?
I be representing the country of Jamaica, man.
Okay, Jamaican.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
All right.
I'm going to represent the poor people in Haiti.
All right, you represent the poor people in Haiti? Okay.
All right, I'm going to have to fall back a little.
All right, let's get it going here. Let's get it going.
I have sympathy for my family in the Haiti island. I go to Atulé on Oakland.
All right, there we go.
We love to play against my better George now. What are we doing? The restaurant. You know that? Okay. You ready?
All right, when my hand hits the water, it's time for y'all to go. We got you on camera cheating, Mo. Okay, Olympians, are you ready? Are you ready? Everybody ready? On your mark. Get set. Go! Sam is in the lead. Mo's coming up. Who's going to touch the wall first? They getting there. It may be a dead heat. It may be a dead heat. It may be a dead heat. It may be a dead heat.
Michael Phelps. Michael Phelps for the gold.
All right, now